Aethir represents a transformative vision in the landscape of cloud computing, focusing on the decentralization of GPU-based computational resources to address the inefficiencies and limitations of current centralized models. Today, we're going to dive deep into Aethir by looking at its mission to democratize cloud resources and the technological innovations it proposes to reshape the cloud computing paradigm. And to fully understand this project, it's important to look at the narrative it's active in. And in this case, it's GPU power and AI. Now, the market analysis for AI, with a focus on rendering computational power, reveals several key trends and insights that highlight the role Aethir can play in this rapidly evolving sector. Software solutions, including AI software that requires high computational power and parallel processing capabilities, are leading the AI market. And these solutions are essential for extracting data and providing real-time insights, which is crucial for decision-making processes. Now, the demand for AI software is expected to continue growing, spurred by the need for enterprises to analyze visual content to gain meaningful insights. In the AI hardware market, graphics processing units or GPUs and central processing units or CPUs currently dominate due to their high computing capabilities, which are essential for AI frameworks. Now, this trend underscores the significant role of GPUs in the AI landscape, especially in high-performance computing tasks like AI and ML frameworks. At its core, Aethir is a cloud computing infrastructure platform that seeks to revolutionize how enterprise-grade graphical processing units, so GPUs, are owned, distributed and utilized. Moving away from traditional centralized models, Aethir introduces a scalable and competitive framework that enables sharing distributed computational resources, catering to diverse enterprise applications and clients globally. Aethir's core objectives and operational model are centered around fundamentally altering the landscape of cloud computing by harnessing the power of decentralized GPU resources. And the platform is designed to optimize the use of these resources for compute-intensive tasks while fostering an inclusive and equitable ecosystem. And to understand the how of Aethir, we need to delve into its innovative operational framework, which is underpinned by resource pooling and decentralized ownership. Resource pooling is a critical facet of Aethir's operational model, aimed at maximizing the utilization of GPU resources. Now, the mechanism for this begins with owners of GPUs who may have idle or underutilized computational power, contributing these resources to Aethir's network. And this contribution is facilitated through a seamless integration process where GPU owners register their hardware on the Aethir platform, making it available for use in the distributed network. And the implementation of the resource pooling is divided into three topics. The technical integration consists of GPU owners integrating their systems with Aethir's platform using provided software tools, ensuring compatibility and performance optimization. For the dynamic allocation, the platform employs algorithms, and this is to dynamically allocate these pooled resources to various tasks based on demand, ensuring optimal usage. This allocation is sensitive to factors like computational intensity, geographic location and real-time availability. How the incentivization works is that contributors are incentivized through a token-based system where they earn ATH tokens proportional to the computational power they provide and the duration of its usage. Decentralized ownership is another cornerstone of Aethir's model, which not only democratizes access to advanced computational capabilities, but also distributes the economic benefits across a wider community. And this approach contrasts with traditional centralized models where a few entities own and control the majority of computational resources. Before we move on to the how of all this, I want to remind you all that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always do your own research and only invest money you're willing to lose, because even though you can gain a lot in crypto, you will most likely lose it all. Now, in the event that you do become filthy rich, and let's hope we all do, it's important that you safeguard your crypto. And the best way to do this is by using hardware wallets. Now, my choice of a hardware wallet is Tangem because it's very convenient. All you need is your phone and your wallet to be able to utilize the hardware wallet. I've made a dedicated video on it, which you'll find in the description down below. And if you decide to purchase this hardware wallet, make sure to use my coupon code because that will give you 10% off. Okay, let's move on to the next topic of this video. Aethir leverages blockchain technology to facilitate and secure the process of distributed ownership. And this technology provides a transparent and immutable ledger of transactions and ownership, assuring trust among participants. Now, the use of ATH tokens as a medium of exchange within the ecosystem plays a crucial role. It enables participants to acquire and trade computational resources in a decentralized market. Now, Aether also aims to establish a decentralized autonomous organization where token holders can vote on key decisions including resource allocation, pricing strategies, and network upgrades. Now, this governance structure ensures that the platform remains aligned with the interests of its community. The operational model of Aether is not just about individual components like resource pooling and decentralized ownership, but also about how these elements interact dynamically within the ecosystem. And by integrating disparate GPU clusters across the globe, Aether creates a powerful network that can handle large-scale computations more efficiently than isolated systems. This creates cross-cluster collaboration. When it comes to demand and supply alignment, the platform continuously monitors the balance between the available GPU resources and the demand from applications, adjusting allocations and incentives to maintain equilibrium and high service quality. Now, one of the final few topics is how Aether addresses key issues prevalent in the cloud computing market. We can identify three main topics: centralization and high costs, underutilization of resources, and technical and performance limitations. Aether challenges the dominance of centralized cloud services, offering a more competitive and accessible alternative. Now, the platform taps into the vast pool of idle GPU capacity, ensuring more efficient use of technological assets. Aether's distributed framework seeks to overcome latency and rendering limitations, enhancing the quality of cloud services. And currently, Aether is having a node sale. Now, I'm not here to sell you anything because I'm not invested in Aether, don't have a node, nor am I an advisor to the project. They also haven't sponsored this video, so there's no incentive for me to give you this information. Or if you buy a node, just know that the ATH token is the native token for the Aether network to reward node providers and checkers for maintaining the Aether decentralized cloud infrastructure network. And this decentralization starts first with the checker nodes, the validator of their ecosystem, equal opportunity to participate, equal opportunity to validate, and equal opportunity to earn an additional bonus for catching bad actors and slashing their rewards. Now, Aether is excited to announce the first ever tiered decentralized AI public node sale, ensuring fair and broad access to its burgeoning network. Now, remember, while a select number of nodes have been reserved for whitelist key opinion leaders and members of the Aether and partner communities, the majority of the nodes are open to the public to purchase on a first-come, first-served basis. And this structure guarantees that everyone has the opportunity to join Aether's journey towards decentralization. Now, before we end this video, I want to give you something extra, right? Which is a bullish and bearish scenario. Now, in the bullish scenario, Aether successfully capitalizes on the growing demand for decentralized cloud computing solutions, achieving rapid adoption across multiple industries. Now, its innovative approach to utilizing underutilized GPU resources attracts a large number of participants, including both resource providers and users, leading to significant network growth. For the technological advancements and performance superiority, Aether's technology proves to be superior to traditional cloud services, offering lower latency, higher reliability, and better performance. Now, the platform's ability to dynamically allocate resources ensures optimal computational efficiency, making it the preferred choice for compute-intensive applications like AI, ML, and cloud gaming. Now, in the bearish scenario, Aether faces significant technological challenges that hinder its operational efficiency and performance. The integration of disparate GPU resources into a cohesive network proves to be more complex than anticipated, leading to problems with reliability, latency, and quality of service. For the strategic partnerships and industry collaboration, Aether establishes strategic partnerships with major tech companies, in a bullish scenario that is, gaming studios and AI research institutions, further enhancing its market presence and credibility. Now, these collaborations lead to the development of advanced applications and services that leverage Aether's decentralized infrastructure, showcasing its capabilities and attracting more users. For the financial growth and token appreciation, regulatory challenges could emerge for Aether, as well as the lack of sufficient network activity, which will lead to a reduced demand for their tokens, which will then cause the value to drop down, and if that leads to skepticism among investors, it could lead to decreased investment and support. Now, on the other hand, a successful expansion in technological prowess of Aether will lead to financial prosperity. The demand for the ATH tokens will surge as they become essential for transactions within the platform, driving up their value, and then investors and stakeholders see substantial returns, reinforcing the economic viability of Aether's model. So if we look at everything together from this video, Aether is not limited to cloud gaming or AI computations. It extends its vision to a broader applications. Moreover, the platform is exploring bare metal solutions to cater to the security-sensitive enterprise-grade market. Now, Aether also embodies a paradigm shift in cloud computing, moving towards a more decentralized, efficient and inclusive model. Through its innovative use of distributed GPU resources, Aether is poised to address the systematic inefficiencies of current cloud infrastructures, opening new avenues for economic and technological advancements. The commitment of the project to decentralization, quality of service and accessible technology places it at the cutting edge of the cloud computing revolution. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!